Hello, today we're going to be testing out a very exciting science experiment, and we're going to be making Jell-O lenses so that we can magnify things. And what we need is Jell-O, obviously, boiling water, so hot. We need a glass bowl, a spoon, and measuring cups with a round bottom so that we can fill in the Jell-O mixture. So what we have to do, I don't want the science experiment to last forever, so I'm gonna be using the speed set method. So what we need to do is dissolve the gelatin into 3/4 cups of boiling water. That'll be about 180 milliliters. Okay. Put that in. And I'm going to be putting this boiling water in, and then I'm going to be mixing it for 2 minutes. Okay, mix it carefully. I think we finished mixing the hot water with the gelatin. So we're going to be moving on to the next step. I've brought this cold water from the fridge, and I'm going to be adding the ice into it. And this should be about 120 milliliters. Okay, take my spoon and put the ice. I'm going to be making it into 1 and 1/4 cups. And now let's mix this. Okay, now the ice have melted a bit and the water level have increased. So I'm gonna be pouring that into the measuring jar. Taking out the ice. Now we've got the ice water, and I'm gonna be pouring 300 milliliters into this measuring jug. Okay. Another 100. Okay, there. Okay. Ooh, it's about to spill. Now we're going to be putting them into these measuring spoons. I think we've got more left, so maybe we should make one big one. let's put these into the freezer. I've took them out from the fridge. I left them for 1 hour to set and everything. Actually, the small ones didn't really work well. The shape isn't that bad, but the big one actually worked a bit. So I'm gonna be testing out if I can see through this and look the small inscriptions bigger. So these small prints, I can't really read them. It's from the nutrition facts from the Jell-O, and I'll try and read them with this Jell-O. Ooh! Add ice to a half cup of cold water. I can read it! Yes, it's been a success! But what's more is that with the leftover Jell-O, I made Jell-O popsicles. Yum! Tastes really good. I hope you can try this out at your home, and this is the end of today's experiment.